Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making my favourite dish, which is rice pudding, also known as kheer. This recipe is just so warm and comforting, and the flavour is also so deep. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! For this recipe we're going to be using 1 cup of rice, which has been soaked for around 4 hours, 2 tablespoons of crushed dry fruits, 1 tablespoon of charoli, 1 tin of condensed milk, along with some saffron and cardamom. Not to forget, 1 litre of milk. So the first step is just to take a nice heated pan and add in a little bit of water so the milk doesn't stick to the pan. Although if you have a non-stick, you should be fine. So we're just going to give the milk a few stirs and let it cook for around 2 or 3 minutes until we start seeing these nice small bubbles. So once it's boiled a bit, we're going to add in the soaked rice, and then we'll let this cook for around 5 to 7 minutes until we have this nice heated milk. This also means the rice is around 70% cooked, so we're going to add in the saffron, which has been soaked in some milk to unleash the flavours a bit quicker. Then we're also going to add the cardamom powder along with the crushed dry fruits. We've used almonds and cashews, but you can use any nuts of your choice. Then we're also going to add in the charoli and give this a good mix. We'll let this cook for around 5 minutes. So around 7 minutes have passed and the rice has started to rise. This means it's fully cooked now. And we've also got this deep colour of the saffron. So we're going to add in the condensed milk. The ratio of the condensed milk to normal milk is around 1.5 litre of milk to 1 tin of the condensed milk. So we'll just add in about 3/4 of that because we've used 1 litre of milk. So we're just going to give this a good mix for around 2 minutes and then it's time for plating. I hope you've liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!